Hey, so if you want to enhance your presentations using Google Slides add-ons in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so you can save time and add powerful features to your slides. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open a new or existing presentation where you want to use add-ons. Now, go to the top menu and click on Extensions, then choose Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse tools designed specifically for Google Slides. Search for add-ons based on what you need. For example, you might look for icons, charts, stock images, diagrams, workflow tools, or productivity helpers. Take a moment to read reviews and descriptions so you pick the right tool. Once you find an add-on you like, click Install and allow the required permissions. After installation, the add-on becomes available directly inside Google Slides. To use it, go back to Extensions, open the add-on, and follow the on-screen options. Most add-ons appear in a side panel, letting you insert elements, generate content, or customize slides without leaving your presentation. Add-ons are especially useful for speeding up design work. You can quickly insert icons, build timelines, create charts, or format slides consistently across your deck. If you're working with a team, add-ons also help maintain consistency. Everyone can use the same tools and layouts, which keeps presentations looking clean and professional. Remember, you don't need too many add-ons. Use only the ones that genuinely improve your workflow. Too many tools can slow things down and create clutter. If you ever want to remove an add-on, go back to Extensions, Manage Add-ons, and uninstall anything you no longer need. Keeping things simple makes slides run smoother. Before presenting, review your slides to make sure everything added through add-ons looks aligned and readable. Small adjustments can make a big difference, and that's basically it. By installing the right add-ons, using them wisely, and keeping your workflow clean, you can unlock the full power of Google Slides. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.